Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are getting this. This is fire. It is bomb. It's popping. It is all of that. Okay. I kind of did something like this before. This was a couple months ago, but it never got filmed. It somehow ended up with it today, but just even more popping. Okay, so I'm okay with this. It's colorful. It's cute. It's a little smoky and grungy, airy. Got some glitter. I like this. It's real cute. So if you want to check out this look, okay. Keep watching. Hit the subscribe button for notifications. Hit the subscribe button for notifications. Comment, share, like, all that good stuff. And also, if you want to see any looks in particular or something you want me to do, put it in the description box, okay? Not the description box, but comment down below so I can see if I can do that for you, okay? If not, follow my Instagram, makeupbykeaira, link below in the description. I'm always on there all the time, okay? So, yeah. Okay, so we gonna take orange soda from the September Rose Slush palette. Okay. No, this is my go-to. But I'm just using that one orange out here today. We're gonna use another palette for once. Alright. Okay, so I was in the mood to do a smoky eye. Like I wanted to do a brown or a burgundy smoky eye. Why? I don't know, just because I feel like I haven't did one in a while. But like we partially got there, but once I got to the lid, it was just like, yeah, it did happen. So, but it's cool though. I do it sometime. Okay, and I'm really not even blending. I'm really just seriously just tapping the shadow on my eye. And like for your transition fill, that's really all you have to do. You don't have to blend it, just tap it and it'll blend itself. Okay, so next we are going to go into the, what's this? Okay, so that's a Rose Brew palette, and we're going to take Red Velvet and I can never pronounce the name of that purple one. We'll take Red Velvet, and then the purple one is like Rose or something like that on there. And with this palette, you really don't even have to tap in it much because the shadow is so pigmented already. Like this is just from like one swirl in the palette. And I tapped off the excess shadow and it's still pigmented like that. Crazy.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that, always have my own bag.
Okay, then I'll go back in with the orange brush just to blend out these edges a little. I'm gonna go into the deep violet. It's not violet. Yes, it is. It's like a plum. That's what it is. Like a deep plum color. Okay, and I'm gonna pop that right in the crease. I keep saying I want to change my channel, like do something different. Like I'm still be doing makeup, but add something else to it. But I don't know what, because I feel like my channel is boring. And yeah, that's not okay. I'm tired of it. And I know this whole YouTube thing is all about being yourself and putting your personality out there, but I can't multitask like that, okay? Like, I can't be myself, that goofy person that I am, and do makeup at the same time, because I would never get anything done. Please. No. So I gotta figure out how to work that into my tutorials somehow, my channel, and then.
Never needed no man to rely on, got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own, till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours.
Okay, so I'm going in with this neon pigment, the one at the top. It's like a highlighter, okay? The same one I used in my last tutorial. I don't know why I keep trying with these pigments. It's so messy and they so hard to hack on to get them to stay. It's ridiculous. I'm like, what? Like, how? Just how? Like, is this something I'm not doing correctly or what? You know, I even let my base dry before I put them on. And sometimes they still don't be just... Oh, Jesus. I need a pigment class for these specifically. Okay, and then I'm going to take some gold glitter, some gold chunky glitter I mixed together. Now, what possessed me to do a powder pigment? They had a nerve to put glitter on top of it, I don't know. Like, sometimes I just be doing the absolute freaking most. Ugh, I can't help it, dude. Okay.
I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to.
Okay, y'all know I always put black down first to smoke out my outer corner, and then I put the crease color that I was using on top of it just to make it darker. Okay, then we'll go into red velvet and then just blend this in the middle. It took me forever to put my lash on because I doubled my lashes and I had a new pair today and it took forever to get them together. It was a real struggle. Okay. I should have just did it before I put them on, but thought I was being smart.
If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me.
Man, I can't decide if I want to put blue or pink in my inner corner, but I'm thinking blue. Why blue? I don't know. Okay, that'll work.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back,